So over here you can see that I have a bunch of files, and if you want to make a copy of the file, then you can easily do so by going around and clicking on an icon and by holding Control on your keyboard and then by clicking and dragging this out. So what it does is that if I were to click and drag while holding Control, you can see a copy of the file is made right here, just like this. You can also create a copy of the file by selecting a file, and on the top you can go to Home and click on Copy right here. And what happens is that once you copy, you can go around and click on Paste and another file is created, as you can see right here. So what you can also do is you can go around over here and right click on any of the file, click on Copy right here, right click and paste, and that is how you can create a copy as well. Alternatively, you can select a file, press Ctrl C on your keyboard, go around, click on an empty area, Ctrl V, and what happens is that a copy is made as well. So if you want to create a copy of the file, you can also press Ctrl C right here, go around into any other folder, press Ctrl V, and a copy of the file is made like that as well in another folder of your choice. So that is how you can create copies of files inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.